Mastering property valuation is the bedrock of profitable real estate investing, and Batchleads is your key to unlocking accurate comps. Let's dive into how to leverage Batchleads to find those crucial comparable properties first. Log into your Batchleads account once you're in. Navigate to the main search or properties section. This is where your comp-finding journey begins. The secret to great comps lies in refining your search. Start by entering the target property address or a general area for your search then. It's time to apply filters. Think about what makes a property truly comparable: the same number of bedrooms and bathrooms, a similar square footage range, and, crucially, properties that have recently sold. We're looking for properties that are as close as possible to the subject property, so adjust the bedroom count, bathroom count, and square footage sliders. More importantly, focus on properties that have sold recently. Batchleads allows you to set a time frame, so select a period that reflects current market conditions. This will weed out outdated or irrelevant listings. Once you've applied your filters, Batchleads will present you with a list of potential comps. Click into each property to thoroughly analyze its details. Pay close attention to the sale price, the sold date, and any key features or improvements. This is where you'll start to see patterns and understand the market value. By systematically using Batchleads' powerful search and filtering tools, you can identify the most relevant comparable properties. This in-depth analysis empowers you to make data-driven investment decisions, negotiate with confidence, and ultimately secure profitable deals.